wash my face, and now we are going to try using the Blackhead vacuum from Cherub. And Cherub said that this vacuum is not supposed to leave marks on your face. I haven't used a Blackhead vacuum before ever, so we are going to test that theory out. This is my first time ever using it. I just took it off charge setting. So, okay, we have some suction going. It feels very like strong, but it doesn't feel like it'll tear your skin apart, you know? It's like a firm suction. And it really like pulls stuff out your skin. You'll see that? Like it's ridiculous actually. Like this is bro. What is this? What is this doing? Oh my god. It's kind of satisfying too, you know, like you just move it across your face. Y'all see that? That's gross. All of this was in my face, bro. Oh my gosh. Are y'all seeing this?